Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful Babel student crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. Friends, the first idea is paper can become lovely coaster to glue smooth stones into a crock or wooden coaster. Arrange them closely together and finish with a clear waterproof sealer. These handmade coasters are practical and stylish. If you enjoy candles, try making Babel's candle holder. Decorate the outside of a glass candle jar with small bevels. The natural text to create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. And weavers, Babel's animals. So weavers, friends, use different shape of stones to make turtle, owls, fish, cats, birds. Paint small details like eyes, necklace to bring each animal to life. And friends, weavers, Babel also make wonderful charm. Paint colorful design on flat stone drill small holes if possible and hang them with string from a wooden stick. The result is a unique handmade decoration for your porch or garden. And we will friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. For more ladies updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you.